February 11th, 2026, a Target store. A woman who finds the whole situation offensive. Loss prevention had been watching her for months.
I find this so offensive.
Okay.
So
Let me
bad.
talk to her first,
Yeah,
okay?
please do that.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. So we have this lady right here, and
Good, how are you?
basically she's like known to come and typically change prices and stuff. I recognized her today from the store, and I was following her. I was watching her in person. I was watching her on cameras, and we were get her putting the tags and stuff. But basically she goes to self checkout, brings it out for that lower price items, and she passed us by the sale, and I stopped her. So we recovered all the merchandise. We're trying to get your receipt, but she does have prior documentations and Target.
Here?
Correct.
Okay.
Here and other Targets as well.
I have what in Targets, she said?
She said prior
Sorry, I was
documentation.
trying to get
Of
her,
what?
She hasn't really been compliant. She's denied everything. So
She's tag switching, is that what she said?
Yeah.
What did she say?
You're switching price tags.
I asked to see the video and she said no.
She doesn't have to show it to you.
so she usually grabs these cups and then just removes the stickers off the cups, and then she closes them on the items.
You got the old stickers? Did you find them?
No, he's looking for them right now. I don't know what she did with them. So, she was kind of all over the store, but every time she would put something on the shelf, I couldn't find the time. But that's her placing the stickers on.
So what items did she switch the stickers on?
It's he's doing a receipt on them. Right
Oh,
now,
so
but
he has them?
Everything that's on
Okay.
here, it's okay.
Okay, so she's got receipt for all this?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a
I'm
receipt
gonna
for
double check.
everything.
Okay.
That's what I don't understand.
So it's ringing out as 50-cent cup.
And you know.
She didn't even scan the camera. But same thing, ringing out the 50-cent cup.
It shows you that as
Yeah.
it rate. That
Yeah.
is so cool.
I know.
That is so awesome.
I love it. Yeah, so it shows you. And then I was able to confirm myself, just watching her in person as well.
Okay.
I was sending you all these footage and stuff.
So did you pull the candle as well?
Yeah. So they're getting a receipt for that and stuff.
Okay.
Hey, just heads up, the candle was just skip scan, so that one's not ticket switch. So just get the regular price on that one.
So you're saying it's around $20? Is that what we're looking at?
Somewhere around there. Yeah. Low. The reason we called is because of.
Price tag switching is retail theft. Take a cheaper tag, put it on a higher priced item, ring it up at the discount. Loss prevention caught it in real time. The self-checkout system flagged each item automatically as it was scanned. In Illinois, price tag switching falls under the Retail Theft Act Section 1625 of the Illinois Criminal Code. Altering a price tag with intent to pay less is retail theft, same as walking out without paying. For losses under $300, that is a Class A misdemeanor, up to 1 year in jail, per offense. The officers chose a village ordinance ticket instead. Softer path. The reason documented prior history and no prior police report to anchor a state charge.
Prior documentations. So she has
So what are you guys
What do you want us to
looking for?
to pursue charges.
Are you looking for state charges or a village ordinance?
But I'm not really sure how that works, but
So state charges would be the Class A misdemeanor.
right.
A village ordinance would be more of an administrative, where she would still have to go in front of a judge, and then there's usually a fine, maybe community service
Yeah.
assessed if she's found guilty.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Would we no trespass them as well?
Yeah,
She
yeah,
she
I
does
told her
it.
she's
Yeah.
trespassed.
Do you want us to do one of our trespass notices?
Yeah.
You guys have your own, right?
Yes, correct.
So we'll do both.
But she has a
So-
previous trespass?
So
She has,
their
no
allegation,
previous
ma'am,
trespass.
their allegation is that you
Um,
took the price tag of
or her
one
case
item
value is
and put it on something
$252,
else. So you rung
all
up
incidents.
a lower markdown price
But I
on
have,
one or multiple items, I don't know.
But her case value is at $252, overall incidents.
A lower markdown price.
But I have part, I said,
One or
part
multiple items, I don't know.
She was, and
I'm gonna
I
bring
know
it
she's
over
saying
now.
tag switching when she stopped me, and she started saying, I said, if there's something the matter, there's a difference in price. I offered to pay that difference. I can't help how a tag is tagged. She said, no, you can't. I said, I find that weird. I pay whatever.
He's got your. Are we emailing it or phone number?
Emailing it.
Do
Yeah.
you have
So
it?
I'll give you my
Okay.
number right now.
It's their internal records. They're taking a photo of you because you won't be allowed back in.
Because there used to be two
So
purple.
do you know what's going on?
They had the one
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
then they have like
so
other
they,
ones.
Target is,
Take the stuff in.
explaining to us that you grabbed some merchandise, okay? And then you took some of the merchandise, you took some of the tags off them, and you replaced them with different tags for a lesser priced item. And then you went to go make a transaction, you try to purchase it, and you try to purchase it for a cheaper price. And you ran all that through, you completed your transaction,
Okay.
and then you tried to leave the store. So
On the
the
stuff that I paid for, yes.
stuff that you, but that you switched the tags on.
Yeah, I don't mean to interrupt.
Okay.
Okay.
But
she's
that's what
alleging
they're
this.
saying this,
Okay.
yeah,
Yep,
okay.
Yep, that's
So,
fine.
I saw the video of you doing some stuff, so can you stand up for me?
We don't need to if you're going to cover.
No, I'm not going to.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you put your phone down and put your purse down?
Sure.
Do you have any price tags on your person, in your pockets, or in your purse or anything like that? You take your jacket off for me?
Do you want to?
He's going to ask you to do it, so because we just discussed that.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna check your pockets to see if there's any price tags in there. Is that all right?
That's perfectly fine. I told her I'm more than compliant.
Sure.
Can we switch back?
Yeah, we'll get there. Do you mind searching her? We're looking for.
Okay, and no, nothing on you. I should be aware of anything that'll poke it or stick me. Okay. Can you just face the wall for me? Thank you.
You gonna check your purse for any tags in there?
Go ahead and check it. I
Okay.
told you you're allowed
Yep.
to check anything. She's done bags. It's not a problem.
I like her. She kisses too, by the way.
Yeah, we're fine.
Okay. So nothing in the bag, nothing in the coat.
And then the other things
Well,
that
the
she changed
candle was
the
in the
price.
holder, so I don't know.
The regular price for each item is $5.
Okay.
And she changed it for 50 cents. So she's gonna pay $2 in total versus $18 in total that she was supposed to pay.
They have you on video, at least not scanning the candle, and then,
Well, because it was in the, I'm just telling
Yeah.
you, it was with the holder. It didn't come with, then fine. I offered to pay for anything that she's alleging,
right.
okay?
So, but they have shown like about 7 or 8 other incidents that they've followed you around for, and they had suspected you doing some stuff, so.
Why didn't they stop me when that's
Well,
true? Did they
but they
show
did
you
it today.
that footage?
They did
Oh,
it today.
I understand that.
But they're not gonna go crazy and like do state charges with you. So we're gonna do like a parking ticket for
Okay,
this incident,
okay,
similar to that. And
okay.
then we're gonna write you that ticket there, and then you'll have an opportunity to go through the traffic court portion and talk to them, but it's not gonna be a criminal offense. Okay,
Okay.
but you can't come back to this target. Or is it all targets or this one?
Just this one.
You can't come
That's
back to this
fine.
target. Because if you do, then it's criminal trespass, and then we take the to jail for that.
Okay,
And other targets already know who you are as well. So.
Yeah.
Because
So-
it's-
perfectly fine,
So this officer's gonna stay with you,
fine.
and we're gonna go, and we got a little bit of paperwork to write the.
I can't help what it's
For that.
saying.
Yeah.
I would pay
And then
that,
I
she's
grab the
saying no,
candles
which
and-
is fine.
Yeah,
And we'll take it to the next level. I know I'm innocent.
And then do the rest.
We all know the law.
Or the,
Changed in January,
Yeah,
it's
or the-
$1,000 or more. $18 is a far cry to 1,000
Well,
that I'm wondering
You're not
what
allowed
the issue
to-
is here.
you're not allowed to take it, regardless, or change
I
it.
understand that, I know
Yeah,
that.
so I'm not
just
sure what-
saying, and I offered to pay that difference
Right.
on whatever she's alleging.
Yeah.
Because you know too, you are innocent until proven guilty.
Right.
So I've been proven, which I'll take that up with what I'm gonna do on my end as soon as I got stopped. And you
Right.
can't do that. You and I both know that.
Can't do what? Hurt?
You can't accuse someone of something
Well,
until.
she's accusing you of something. She has the right to, as what her case
I
is.
understand.
Okay.
I understand.
So give me 1 second. Ursula, you said that there was the $2 that she paid for the what should have been 20, correct?
So what should have been, yes, correct.
So does she get reimbursed the $2 for?
She can, yeah. I can
So wait,
post void
it's-
that transaction, and she'll get.
So what's, I'm very confused.
'Cause remember we talked-
I
it
get-
was
yeah, I
candles?
get- where is
If
the
anything, I can post void all of the merchandise, so and then
And
she can
rebring
leave
it or
that
something?
merchandise behind too. So she will be leaving with.
Ma'am, do you still want the merchandise in your cart?
It's just gonna be complicated if I just do single
Then, you know what, cancel it all out
perfect.
and do my thing, yes, and yes.
You would,
Cancel,
would you like this merchandise today?
I did, but you know what?
Not
That's okay
anymore?
if I,
I'm sorry.
She said it would be too difficult to do a line item by line item, so I'll make it easy for her. She can cancel that all out.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
But they stopped me, and I'm sitting with a female officer in Target, because a girl is alleged, well, no, she didn't allege, she accused, and 3 policemen came that I changed tags on something to make it 50 cents, but yet on the expensive items, I didn't do that, which I did neither. So the difference in price, they're saying, I don't know, is $18 or something. Is that what it is, officer? They're saying it's $18. I said, I don't know about your tagging policies. I'll pay it. I need this stuff. Instead, she called the police, and
It's not
they're
allowing me
writing
to type
a
in the
municipal
see, I keep
ticket.
saying.
Yeah, it's a village ordinance
It's a
ticket,
village ordinance ticket they're writing me.
and then a notice of trespass.
I can fight, yeah, thank you. And I can fight it in court, she said. So I will be in court
And
to
this
fight
one was
this.
50 cents.
Yeah.
What they said was she was switching tags, so instead of paying $5 for a candle, I believe, that she was paying 50 cents for it. And there were, I believe, 4 of the candles or items, and so the total should have been 20, but she only would have paid $2, so the difference was 18. And I think that they said that there were maybe 6 or 7 prior incidents where they were watching her for the same issue, and so that's why.
Loss prevention had been documenting this woman since October 2025. 6 to 8 prior incidents. Same store, same method, none previously charged. That documentation matters. It transforms a single $34 event into a pattern. And patterns change how courts weigh cases. She kept asking why they didn't stop her before. The answer was in LP's own policy. They were building the file. And then she said something that should have stayed unsaid. She offered to pay the difference. Offering to pay after being caught is not a defense. Under Illinois law, the intent to defraud existed the moment the tag was switched, not at the moment of confrontation. She also said she didn't want to answer questions. That was the right instinct. She just reached it 17 minutes too late. The right to remain silent applies from the moment police contact begins. Exercising it early and staying silent is the only move that actually helps. Everything she said about the prior incidents, offering to pay, not understanding the tags, all of it is now on record.
They stopped her today.
I know
What
that.
is-
I've asked to see it, and I was told I couldn't see it.
What is, like, the subtotal says $7.50 here, so
So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So
I'm trying to listen to
basically
her.
the eggs are worth $5 each. So she took a switch each one of them for
When
50
the
cents.
gentleman comes.
So she only ended up paying $2 for the 4 eggs.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So that's how we did it. This
And then-
candle, she didn't even like scan
No,
it. So
not
she
at
like
all.
skip scanned it.
I'm fine.
That one like we brought it out as regular price for $5 that she didn't scan.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this one is a different. This was the base that she had tickets with as well,
Okay.
and she brought it out for 50 cents instead of the $12. So basically, her savings, right? Or like how the system reads it was $29 in total of loss, $29.50 plus the regular price, the $5 candle that she never scanned. So $5 plus the $29.50.
Okay.
It's a little bit complicated to explain. 'cause
So
it's-
I just want to make sure that, like, this is not with, like, the text included and everything.
no. That's without the text. That's a total.
Okay.
This is the bizarrest thing, right? Whether it's 18.25, only because I overheard you.
Yeah.
How did it jump to 34 now?
So it wasn't just the candles. What they said was the eggs. You also rang up as 50 cents for 4. You know, there were 4 of them that you rang up as 50 instead. So there was only $2 instead of the regular price of $5.
Okay.
And then this threshold candle, I believe, that for $5 you did not pay for at all, is what they said.
It was in the container, so no, I'll
Okay,
admit that.
okay.
I
And then
did not.
the next one, the other threshold that's rang up as 50 cents was actually a regular price of $12. So this in total was the total savings of the strip for $29.50 in addition to,
Where's the other items?
with the $5.
No. Do they have dates, or what are they talking about? Previous things?
Oh,
So,
So for your previous incidents,
yeah,
we
my
never-
husband's asking this from his end, just like her, right?
Right.
They're both in that same field.
Right.
So my husband said, what are you talking about that? Do you have that? Then why did you let it go on? Where is the footage? He said, if they showed you, I said, no. They have not showed me.
Right, like
I
stated,
understand.
right?
I
We can show
do.
video. So we have a policy, right? Like that we have to keep documenting cases, you know, to build our case up, right? So just keep documenting it. For other reasons, right? It's other reasons we didn't stop you as well. But the other incidents that we have on you, there's no prior. We didn't file a police report for them.
Okay,
Okay. So
But
it's
that
just this case that we're filing a police report
Okay,
for
I
because I
understand.
apprehend you.
if you're alleging this, why was it not stopped before that you would let it continue? I said, I don't know.
So, ma'am, that's just
And
going to be
that's- yeah.
their policy, their store
And
policy.
that's fine, but my husband wants to know, before we do it, do you have documentation on all the stuff you're claiming you've been following?
Yeah.
You do, okay, good,
I
good.
was gonna say, like the earliest case we have on you is from October 15, 2025.
Where you would just put that in the, and maybe you would.
I'm not sure. I think
Where was the price tag to scan it? Because it was in the holder, and I just put it all through, thinking it's the same. There was no price tag.
Yeah,
I'm
I don't
just-
want to answer your questions because every time I answer your question, you're saying that you're not admitting to it, and everything's
No.
on video. So I'm just
Yeah, you'll have a
understanding.
court date that
Yeah,
you're
I
able
understand
to,
that, I understand that.
but she doesn't want to talk about it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so this is not criminal, this is the notice of trespass, okay? You can't come,
The outcome, a village ordinance citation and a notice of trespass. She walks out. No handcuffs, no criminal record from this stop. But the trespass notice changes the math going forward. If she returns to this target for any reason, that is criminal trespass, a state charge, a different court entirely. And every target in the area already has her on file.
back to this store again. If you do, you can be arrested.
Okay,
And then this is basically the ticket.
okay.
This is the ticket. So the main thing is this notice of appear. So you're gonna have, your court date is gonna be sent to you in,
Do you have any questions?
No,
We can go.
yeah, you're free to go when, we're gonna wait for you to leave.
okay.
The woman was trespassed from the store and was cited.
Officers grade B+. Methodical and measured, they explained both charge option state misdemeanor and village ordinance and let the subject respond. Patient throughout. The ordinance path was defensible. Without a prior police report, a Class A misdemeanor would have faced procedural challenges. They read the situation correctly. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is judged on what was known in the moment. Every decision here holds up. Subject grade D. Prior history. Repeated conduct. Denied everything while the LP system flagged her items in real time. Then talked extensively with officers present. Under the Illinois Retail Theft Act Section 1625, switching a price tag with intent to pay less is legally identical to walking out without paying. She handed them the case by talking. She had the right to remain silent. She eventually invoked it. By then, the admissions were already on record. One takeaway. The dollar amount does not determine the charge alone. Retail theft is retail theft whether it is $18 or $1,800. What changes is severity, not the record. Documentation creates patterns. Patterns create cases. This one started in October 2025. It ended here. Subscribe for weekly bodycam breakdowns, the encounters that don't go the way anyone planned. Drop a comment, was the village ordinance ticket the right call, or should this have been filed as a state charge?
With retail theft.